Formulations: Formula 1, 1 part Chi Blondest Blonde, 1 part 20 volume. Step 1. Start with a zigzag parting down the center of the head. Step 2. Create diagonal forward subsections parallel to the zigzag. Then take small slices away from the hairline and apply a foil. Step 3. Position the color brush vertical to the part. Apply formula 1 to 2 inches away from the scalp, creating a V shape. Cover the top with another foil. Step 4. For the next section, take small slices and leave the hair strand its natural color. Step 5. Repeat steps 3 and 4, working backward to the crown area. Step 6. Leave the fringe section out on the right of the zigzag parting. Repeat steps 3 and 4 throughout the right side, working backwards to the crown area. Formulations: Formula 1, 1 part Chi Shine Shades 5W, 1 part Chi Shine Shades 4A, 2 parts Chi Color Generator 10 volume. Formula 2, 1 part Chi Shine Shades Clear, 1 part Chi Shine Shades 8V, half cap blue add mixed with 2 parts Chi Color Generator 10 volume. Formula 3, 1 part Chi Shine Shades Clear, 1 part Chi Shine Shades 9S, half cap violet, add mixed with 2 parts Chi Color Generator 10 volume. Formula 4, 1 part Chi Shine Shades Clear, 1 cap double ash add, mixed with 1 parts Chi Color Generator 10 volume. Step 1. Use Formula 1 on the root area. Step 2. Create diagonal backwards partings throughout the entire head. On each subsection, alternate the color using Formula 1, 2, and 3. Step 3. Use Formula 4 above and below the perinatal ridge on each side.